toes in dirt, voice like smoke and hands like earth, ash and breath and bark and bone. We are never quite alone.
Speak the name that trees forget, carve the runes, the fire is set. Spirits watch from moss and stone, we call